Benefits of best physical custody and child custody lawyer. What are the types of benefits of hiring the best child custody lawyer and child custody attorney? A difference between imprisonment joint and separate surveillance physical best child custody lawyers. Divorce is an emotionally distressing test for a couple, and the presence of teenagers in the marriage ceremony system makes it even more difficult. One of the first choices to be made in a separation or divorce match is that teens will spend most of their time at home. Coming to an agreement can also be a struggle in child custody. There are many factors that can indicate which residents will meet the standard occupations of children, which is why it is important to assist a legal professional or child custody lawyer in the child custody of an erwin toddler who makes sure that this method will proceed without problems and coffee. It is important that every father or mother works with a child custody lawyer male or child custody lawyer female to protect that person's rights. Sometimes, young people want to bother their personal child custody lawyers to make sure that their extravagant entertainment is taken into account. Also, read more articles about our writing. If you want to read the article, the links is given in this video description below. 1. Family law firms. Choose the best divorce lawyer. 2. How do I pick out the best divorce lawyer? 3. Where should you look for a good lawyer? 4. How to find the best qualified lawyer you can trust. 5. How to learn an excellent family attorney. The difference between imprisonment and physical detention needs a child custody lawyer. The difference between imprisonment and physical child custody or detention. The issue of child custody of young children is a source of concern as well as the fact that there is a special type of detention to consider. Physical custody. Legal child custody is usually given to the mother and father because the child lives with the child. Most of the time, it will be the man or woman who will be with the child most physically. Legal child custody is an important choice for raising a child and can include choices related to fitness care, education, and religion. In some cases, there may be large physical custody of the mother or father, while each father and mother are equally involved in criminal child custody. An erwin best child custody lawyer or legal professional will be in a position to help parents decide on the extraordinary pursuit of a young child in each of these areas. Joint and separate surveillance child custody lawyer. There are two types of child care settlements that are no longer recommended, as there is often joint custody where every parent shares equally in physical custody, and the distribution of nutritional needs, which is shared between siblings, so every father or mother can make a child full-time. Courts no longer generally prefer one of these two preparations, as most psychologists would agree, or if these conditions would be stressful for the child. Extraordinary activities that will be replaced by joint custody usually consist of two fathers and mothers who have confirmed that they can work together collectively for the sake of their children. If one of these situations is known to be a definitive high-quality solution, a young juvenile child custody attorney must be able to do what is required. In most cases, the courts decide that the father and mother decide for themselves on the child's upbringing. This can be accomplished with a toddler custody attorney. The assistance of erwin infant custody attorney is assigned to criminal gurus for every party, and a mediator if necessary. If the parents cannot reach an agreement on child custody, the courts will be forced to decide how the best child custody lawyer will be granted. This decision will involve a number of factors, such as the child's desire if it is historically sufficient to say that the child has a high level of interest and basic care for the child to work at every birthday party. An erwin infant child custody lawyer or legal professional will make sure that the choice is genuine and that the rights of every mother, father, and teen are covered in the process.